Alright guys, today guys, we're going to be working on the thermostat. So today guys, all you got to do is take out one, two, and there's a third bolt that's up under there. Let's see, can I get it for y'all? As you can see guys, the third bolt is up under the holes right there. It goes 1, 2, 3, like a triangle. By the way, Merry Christmas. Man, thank y'all for subscribing and commenting on my YouTube channel, man. Thank y'all a lot. Let's go. All right, guys, so what you want to do now, guys, is take your 10. I'm going to start from the bottom bolt. Get the hardest one out the way. All right, he's on there. Come out the way. What I like to do, guys, is just loosen them up, guys. Loosen them all up, guys. This is what I like to do, loosen them up. Good angle. That's what I like to do, loosen them all up, guys. After I loosen them all up, guys, I'm gonna come through my Milwaukee. I ain't got time to be playing no screws. All right, guys. So some cooler gonna come out once you jiggle it off like that right there. Just a little bit of cooler. Now, when you go to take this thermostat out, a lot of cooler gonna come out. So what we'll do, guys, stay right there, guys. Stay right there. Keep it right there, guys. So I'm gonna apply him out of here, guys. So I can just get him out of here like this right here. At the top of this. Oh, guys, you don't want to do that. Oh, see, guys, it comes out like this. Let me get another one. See, comes out like this right here, guys. Take the screwdriver. Boom, 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 boom. Take it out just like that right there, guys. Boom. All right, guys, the same way I took it off, the same way you put it back on, step by step, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe and comment.